folks, now we are ready to eat. The pulao is ready, and I'm sure you're very hungry. So let's start.
Attack!
Thank you.
Please start. And
Friday.
So exciting.
Friday is my second favorite word. First is food. खाना दो. मेरे डैड की saying थी कि जिसने की शर्म उसके फूटे करम, जिसने की बेहयाई उसने खाई रसमलाई.
अरे
तो आने दो. I want to tell you और भी कि मैं उतना ही खा सकता हूँ जितना मैं उठा सकता हूँ. तो आप सोच लो कि मैं कितना खा सकता हूँ. समझे आप? ये लो जी.
have this अंडे की कड़ी.
बहुत
You like this?
शुक्रिया.
अंडे की कड़ी. Oh, it's looking so
How about a
yummy.
papadum?
लपटे हुए अंडे की कड़ी.
लपटे हुए हैं.
Pretty cool, huh?
हाँ जी, अब मैं और जल्दी कर दो क्योंकि I can't wait anymore. खाना अंदर.
Have a papadum.
मैं बेहोश ना हो जाऊं.
और अचार.
हम लोग पंजाबी बोलते हैं अटैक. Oh, it is yummy. Huh? Yummy. You tell me this. कि ये जो कीमा पुलाव आपने बनाया ये मटन का है, right?
खीमा is mutton only.
या तो चिकन का भी होता है तो what is the difference क्या है? Reason क्या है? It's so yummy.
No, let me tell you, chicken का भी बना सकते हैं.
हाँ.
But chicken, the meat is very tender, so that crunch you won't get like how you get in this keema. You know, it will be tasty. There's no doubt about it. But
मसाला
here-
वही है.
हाँ, मसाला वही है.
ये भी चॉकलेट का जैसा क्रंच नहीं, ये अलग क्रंच है.
बस घूम फिर के आप चॉकलेट पे पहुंच जाते हो. तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको कुछ मुंह मीठा के लिए आई होप यू नो Zarine ji has not made anything sweet for you
Yeah.
because Mr. Sanjay Khan did not woo her with chocolate. So tell me, how did he win your heart?
So he wooed me by his voice. He had the most fabulous voice even at that age. He was known for the voice. And besides that, I didn't like chocolates, but that time at least I used to eat until I saw my fat friend. Then I stopped because I thought if I'm going to be that fat, I don't want to become so obese. But anyway, what he used to do, which was very sweet, he used to bring me a rose every day.
Oh.
Every day, even at that time, one rose he would give me. And that was very sweet. Do you have, because you're also a Bori Muslim. So
I'm a Khoja.
खोजा.
So we have a lot of Gujarati and Kutchi influences in our family. So our language is also Kutchi. And it's actually, our food is completely Kutchi.
So is it
So
is it nearer to the Parsi type?
It is.
It is,
So
huh?
our food is very similar, like what I have eaten in your house.
Huh?
I have grown up enjoying it from my mother's hand.
Oh, really? The Parsi cuisine?
Yes, it's like a Khoja has that similar influence, you know, even in the way they dress, with the simple saris and you know the understated jewelry. So it is very similar.
Tell me what is the your house, besides what your father used to eat, the usual is typical Punjabi khana?
Typical Punjabi खाना, but
Lovely.
now that I married a Russian, रात को soup salad से काम चल जाता है.
Acha.
तो वो एक बैलेंसिंग इफेक्ट हो जाता है. दिन में बटर चिकन, रात को सिर्फ soup salad.
That's very healthy, very good.
Yeah, so it's good light food and dinner.
Do you maintain your timing when you eat dinner?
We try to eat early.
How
Usually
early is
by-
early?
Means 7:45.
Fabulous.
Yeah, that's so good.
Yeah, 8ish.
But folks,
we are
I
full.
must tell you, in India, we have so many different cuisines.
Yes.
And if you compare, you really can't compare because one is better than the other. And it goes on like that, you see. So I guess we appreciate all type of food, right?
Absolutely. Which is not really advised by nutritionists today. They really don't, you know. They advise that you eat quite a lot every 2 hours. So it's like little meals all the time. And they absolutely do not stop you eating what you're used to. So that is quite incredible, you know. It's a myth that chocolate makes you fat. It's a myth that you must not eat food.
Are you sure?
On the contrary,
Chocolate doesn't make you fat?
it's everything is about the keyword moderation Everything is about knowledge and awareness of what you're eating. So if you're eating anything which is closer to 70%, 80%, 100% sweetened, of course. You can't eat 100%, it's very dark. The flavor, the taste is very strong. It's like having several espresso shots, you know? So ideally, it's how you sweeten it with dates. So they say that you've got to know what you eat. And I saw with the love and the ingredients you have prepared the food. So it's complete knowledge with what I am eating.
But also, didn't you see, I didn't put any packet food into my
Nothing,
food item.
there was no color.
No color, no
Everything
packet
was
food.
fresh. It was
These days, to
amazing.
make cooking easier, people are putting just buy the packet. And so what happens, all the colors of the food look just one. This is red, this is red, this is red, this is red. It's because it's the same masala, that's packaged masala.
In our house also, one person comes 6 months mein ek baar and they sit on the terrace and they're fine all
Even
the
I
masala.
piss out.
Yeah.
And where can you get so much of, you know, all
Beautiful.
this beautiful, besides beautiful masala, the ladies who come to the house and
it.
do it right there.
That's it.
Oh, yummy.
And you have to see them, they're so graceful.
So enough of all the serious discussion we are having of food. We shall go now there.
Okay.
But before we go, I have got to give you a very fun game called the answering machine.
Answering.
Yes, answering machine.
Answering.
What is
So
that?
that's the cons
Yeah.
and the answering. So it's answering machine.
So, cons
Yes.
and answering.
Answering, right.